and welcome. Today we are going to do top 20 MCQs. I request you to please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Question first is, who among the following was the founder of the Lohara dynasty in Kashmir? A. Durlavardhana, B. Sangam Raja, C. Avantivarman, D. Aladitya. Correct answer is option B. Sangam Raja. Question second, the Tambir Hodges line is an imaginary line used to mark the northern boundary of which geographical feature? A. Park State, B. Rann of Kutch, C. Sundarban Delta, D. Sar Creek. Correct answer is option B. Question third, under the J&K Reorganisation Act 2019, which section empowers the President to remove difficulties in giving effect to the provisions of the Act? A. Section 96, B. Section 103, C. Section 73, D. Section 105. Correct answer is option B. Question 4. The Hearth festival celebrated by the Kashmiri Pandits falls on which specific day of the Hindu calendar? A. 13th day of the dark half of Faguna, B. 14th day of the bright half of Magna, C. First day of Chaitra, D. 15th day of Kartika. Correct answer is option A. Question number 5. Which 5-year plan in India is known for shifting the focus from agriculture to heavy industries, often called the Mahalanobis model? A. 5-year plan, B. Second 5-year plan, C. Third 5-year plan, D. Fourth 5-year plan. Correct answer is option B. Question number 6. In the context of J&K history, the Treaty of Amritsar 1846 is often described as sale deed. What was the exact amount paid by Gulab Singh to the British? A. 50 lakh Nanak rupees, B. 75 lakh Nanak rupees, C. 1 crore Nanak rupees, D. 60 lakh Nanak rupees. Correct answer is option B. Question number 7. Which of the following rivers is the Kiru and Kavar hydroelectric power projects being constructed on? A. Jhelum, B. Ravi, C. Chenab, D. Indus. Correct answer is option C. Question number 8. The golden fiber revolution is specifically associated with which of the production of? A. Honey, B. Jute, C. Silk, D. Cotton. Correct answer is option B. Jute. Question 9. According to J&K Reorganisation Act 2019, the number of seats reserved for the people of Pak-occupied Kashmir in the Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir are: A. 20, B. 24, C. 28, D. 30. Correct answer is option B. Question number 10. Which organization publishes the Global Enabling Trade Report? A. World Bank, B. WTO, C. World Economic Forum, D. IMF. Correct answer is option C. Question 11. The ancient site of Uttaravani in Jammu region is famous for revealing artifacts from which era? A. Neolithic, B. Upper Shivalik, Paleolithic, C. Chalcolithic, D. Mesolithic. Correct answer is option B. Question 12. In Indian economy, economic overheads refer to the infrastructure that facilitates trade. Which of the following is an example? A. Schools, B. Hospitals, C. Roads and railways, D. Sanitation facilities. Correct answer is option B. Question 13. Who wrote the famous book Raj Tarangni, which is the primary source of early Kashmiri history? A. Jonaraja, B. Kalhana, C. Bilhana, D. Shivara. Correct answer is option B. Kalhana. Question 14. The National Social Assistance Program was launched during which 5 year plan? A 7th, B 8th, D 9, C 9th, D 10th. Correct answer is option B. Question 15. Which pass connects Jammu with the Kashmir Valley? A. Zorjila Pass, B. Banihal Pass, C. Khardungla Pass, D. Changla Pass. Correct answer is option B. Question 16. Which of the following is not a right bank tributary of the Brahmaputra River? A. Subansiri, B. Manas, C. Dhansari, D. Kameng. Correct answer is option C. Dhansari. Question 17. Under the 2019 Reorganisation Act, who is the head of the Council of Ministers in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir? A. Lieutenant Governor, B. President, C. Chief Minister, D. Home Minister. Correct answer is option C. Chief Minister. Question 18. The Umem Lake is a major tourist attraction located in which state? A. Assam, B. Meghalaya, C. Sikkim, D. Nagaland. Correct answer is option B. Meghalaya. Question 19. Which ruler of Kashmir is known as the iconoclast Shikan? A. Zainul Abidin, B. Sultan Shahabuddin, C. Sultan Sikandar, D. Sultan Qutbuddin. Correct answer is option C. Question 20. The motif of Ellora Caves is featured on the reverse side of which new Indian currency note? A 10, B 20, C 50, D 100. Correct answer is option B.